Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a logo to header on Wix websites in 2024. So today we're focusing on a key aspect of branding and design, which is adding your logo to the header of your Wix website in 2024. Your logo is a visual representation of your brand identity, and placing it prominently in the header ensures it's recognizable to visitors, of course. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps of how to add in it. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser that you'll use. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section here. Basically type wix.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself basically on the dashboard. If you're logged in, if it's your first time, you'll find yourself basically here. You can click on login at the top right corner. If you have an account, you'll be able to log in using Google, Facebook, or Apple if you don't want to fill up your information manually. If you don't have an account, click on sign up instead. And of course, you'll be able to sign up again with Google or Facebook if you don't want to fill up your information manually. It's boring. If you want, make sure, be my guest, do it. So once you're once you're logged into your account or just created your account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, and here you'll find all the sites that you have. If you want to add a logo to a header and you don't have a site yet, you can simply click on create a site at the top right corner. You'll be able to start from templates on Studio Wix or Wix Studio, or use Wix Editor for editing. There's a difference between them, the two of them. If you get like used to that, you'll notice the difference. And normally people use Studio templates if they care just about desktop design. If they care about mobile and tablet and etc., they use like Wix Editor because you can edit things for mobile and not edit it for your desktop. Not like Studio templates, you'll be able to use just and edit all the stuff for all the devices at the same time. So here, as an example, I'll just go and try to edit one of my websites so you can access it to show you how to add a logo on it. It's very simple. It's not that hard to do. So only just wait for this page until it loads. Of course, you can use the Wix editor to do the same. It's kind of the same. You'll basically just add the logo to your header. So it's the same steps either in Wix Studio or Wix editor. So once you access that, as an example, let's say this is the header. And instead of this text, I'll just delete that text. I want to add something in there. I'll just even remove this. Yeah. So instead of like the text here, I'll add a logo. Simply how? I have two options. If I click here on header, I'll find on this right option. If you scroll down, I'll find the media. I can click to add an image or video. For me, I would like to add an image. And of course, you can add the media from Wix, from your own PC if you want to upload an image. For example, click on upload and you'll be able to upload this from your own PC. Or even use this AI image creator. As an example, I'll just type random things. So example, I don't know, maybe tomato driving a car. And hit the enter button. I'll wait for them until they create an image. And I'll try to use this as logo on my header. As simple as that. So, okay, I can create again. I didn't maybe like it. It does not matter, of course. For me, I'm just doing some random stuff. Of course, you can even choose a style. Do you want it's a photo? Do you want like a cartoon, whatever it is? As an example, I'll just use this image. And of course, you can even upscale this image as an example, so it can show like or has more quality. You can resize it if you want a specific image size, example, and you can rotate it, flip it, and etc. Then I'll just flip it like this horizontally. I want it to look to this side. Of course, you can revert to original if you didn't like the changes that you made, because you can make a lot of changes on it. You can objects eraser, you can AI image editor. You'll be able to do a lot of stuff. I'm not going through that. So I'll just go here and click on save. And it should be saved. So let me just go out. Yeah, it's not saved yet. Okay. So we'll just wait for it until it's saved. Once it's saved, of course, it will be added to the header. And we can, of course, just put it wherever we want to make it as a logo. And yeah, it should be added right now. So I'll just go here and click on, no, I'm not changing background. So I'll just go and click on it. Site files. Here's it. But okay, it seems like this will change the background. So you can, of course, play with the opacity of it and transparency of it if you don't want it to look good, etc., or look on it. So as you can see, this added on the background. It's not a logo. So how can we add a logo? Basically, go here, click on this add element on the test panel, and go and click on add image. As you can see, the image is added, so I'll make it smaller so it does not make the header very big. I'll make it here in the middle and click on this logo or this image. And basically here, I will, of course, click on change image. And here, my files, I'll select this, click on updates. And as you can see, it's right here. Of course, now I'll be able to start playing with the settings of it as example, and maybe fill it in the box, fits in the bounding box, as example. You can add some alt text, and as example, when image is clicked, nothing happens or link opens. You can adjust it. You can do a lot of things about this. So it's all up to you right now. And of course, you'll be able even to, I don't know, crop it, do something on it. Example, if you want just this, click on apply. Of course, you can make it bigger, so it show the whole page, but you'll have to make the header bigger a bit. Oh, nice, this like the header, so it can show correctly. If you don't want, if you don't want to, that's all good. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.